Baby who wants to come out? Hello, Gray Baby. Hello, Gray Baby. Hey, Gonzo, you ready? Want to step up? Yes, you do. So exciting. I can't stand it either. It's just too exciting. Oh, my gosh. Such a beautiful part of the day, isn't it, Gonzo? Does it make you happy? Guys, wait till you have your own parents. Wait till you have someone who loves you. They'll take you out often and love you a lot. I'm going to pet you. Oh, I'm going to pet you. My little boy. Love that little baby. Love my Gonzo. Your little red tail feathers. What you doing? Hoot hoot. That's my little hoot hoot. Love my little hoot hoot. I have to change my sweater. Somebody is going to rip it if I don't. Hoot hoot. Such a good boy. Gonna pet you. Gonna pet that boy. Love that bird. You ready? Here's your hoot hoot. Gonzo gets his hoot hoots. Yeah, baby. Love you, Gonzo. Love you, Gonzo. Love that Gonzo. So good. Such a good boy.